One quiet night, while all the children were fast asleep, 5-year-old Musa was snuggled under his warm blanket, but sleep just wouldn't come. His mind was full of questions. Are dreams real places? Can we actually go there? Suddenly, a glowing blue butterfly flew into his room. Its wings shimmered like moonlight. It whispered softly into Musa's ear. "Come with me. I'll take you to the island of dreams." In the blink of an eye, Musa began to float into the air, blanket and all. He soared through the night sky until he reached a magical gate. When it opened, he entered a place like no other, the island of dreams. This island was full of wonders. Talking trees, cloud swings, and pigeons that delivered chocolate messages. There, Musa met a tiny robot named Beepo who said, "Musa, we need your help. The colors of this island are fading." Musa accepted the mission at once. With Beepo and the butterfly, he began a journey to find the lost colors. Along the way, they had to laugh their way across the river of giggles, solve riddles from a talking mountain, and write their true feelings in the sand made of glass. At last, Musa discovered the secret. The island's colors were connected to children's dreams. When kids forget their dreams, the colors disappear. Musa decided to send out a special message to every child in the world. Never forget the dreams in your heart, because they are what make the world bright and beautiful. As soon as he said it, the entire island lit up like a rainbow. The butterfly smiled and said, "You saved the island of dreams. It's time to go home now." Musa closed his eyes, and when he opened them, he was back in his bed, smiling under his cozy blanket. Now he knew. Dreams don't only live in sleep, they can come true in real life too.